Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to my channel Unique Astro. I am Saroj Kumar Samar, and today in this video I am going to tell you all about first house. Most of you must be having a question in your mind, what is first house? And how important is first house? Let me tell you. See, first house is your body. First house is your birth. You are coming in this world. First house is the base on which we are going to say what all can be done, what all work you can do on yourself. First house is your beginning. You begin in your life in this world. Before first house, 12th house is there. Your previous birth is there. And after first house, second house is there. Second house is your close relative, nearby relative, and the person with whom you start your life. And you get your first impression of this world through the second house and through the 12th house. 12th house, some of the things that comes in your mind without anybody coming and teaching you. Nobody is coming and telling you that you are like this, or there is going to be something like this. There is some kind of apprehension in your mind. That is 12th house. And second house is your relative. If you are playing with a small child, he is your close kin at that time, and with them you are learning something. Your mother, your father, and those all people who is taking care of you. That is your second house. So first house is your beginning. First house is the base, and upon that base we are going to tell what all work can be done on you, what all improvement you are going to bring in your life. For example, about this improvement I will explain it little further. For example, a person is a sculptor and his work is to make a statue. So what he will do? He will go to some places and he will bring some material to make a statue. For example, if he is taking one stone for making a statue, so he will be doing all his crafting works and he will make it into a different kind of statue. And again, if he is taking a wood and he is doing the crafting, it will be a same statue, but the quality of the statue will differ. On a stone, he needs to craft it differently. On a wood, he needs to craft it differently. And what about sand? Again, he needs to craft it differently. The quality and of those all statue will be different. Similarly, your first house is the quality of the personality you are going to be in your life ahead. What all you can do. When you are taking birth, you are child of someone. Someone is your father, someone is your mother. By being a child of someone, you are making an impression into this world. So first house is again the impression that you make, that you are going to make in this world. First house is your physical strength, and whatever we can assume about your physical strength, how you will look, attractive, good looking, bad looking, what kind of temper you will have. See, a person may be angry or not, but he may have control on his anger. That may happen because of the other planets' influence on first house. But if he is going to be an angry person or a calm person, depends upon first house. First house, whatever zodiac sign comes into the first house, it will tell you all about you, and it will give you a preview, it will give you a demo of the personality that someone is going to be. So let me explain the first house little further. So first house is going to tell you all about yourself, your face, facial expressions, what color your face will get. You will be blackish, you will be whitish, and what kind of impression you are going to make in this world. And first house is also called Lagna in Hindi or Sanskrit. It is also called Uday, starting of your life. First house is also called Tanu. First house is also called Janma, your starting, beginning. Again, Janma means starting and beginning. So first house tells you about primitive life of a child, how he is settling, how he is crawling, how he is starting his life, what kind of impressions that he is going into him when he starts, when he begins his life in this world. First house tells you about your childhood. First house tells you about your height. First house tells you about general health, general habits, body features, how he is developing himself, physique, what kind of physical activities he is capable of. Maybe if you are born as a lamb, then you may not be doing much physical activities. So it gives us a preview. First house tells us about how you are going to look in your life. First house tells about those qualities that is in you that is not yet influenced by anyone, not yet influenced by any other planets. First house is your natural qualities, those qualities that comes naturally inside you. First house again tells you about your inner strength, Atma Bal. First house tells you about your first impression, what kind of first impression that you lay in this social world. You are born as someone's child. So what will happen? If you are born in a rich family, people will say that this boy or girl is going to have good future. So that is the first impression that you lay in this outside world just after your birth. You are born in some religion, caste, sect, whatever. You are giving out an impression to this world just after your birth. That is again spoken by the first house. According to Desh Kal Paristhiti, different things may change because in USA, how the children are brought up is very different, and in India or in Pakistan or in some other countries, how children are brought up is very different. So whenever we are predicting your first house, we make sure we know your Desh, Kal and Patra. What is Desh, Kal and Patra? Desh is country, Kal is what time is going on. See, in 20th century things were very different, and 21st century things are very different. So Desh, Kal and Patra. Patra is you may be born into a very rich family, very powerful family, or you may be born into a poor family. This is called Desh, Kal and Patra. Whenever we predict anyone, we always make sure that we know their Desh, Kal and Patra, and then only we proceed further. So first house even gives us an impression of one's age. Not accurate, but an impression, idea of one's age, how much life he is going to live, what kind of general illness that he will get. These all things, impression, we will get just by your first house, knowing your first house. That is, first house is always ascendant, Lagna. Just by knowing your first house, Lagna, zodiac sign, we can assume, we can get that assumptions. So first house again tell you about your goodness in life. You are born into a good family, good life, it is promised. First house is going to tell us about your kind of emotions that is going to be in your mind. First house tells us about what are the most probable bad times you may get into your life. And first house is very important in so many aspects. First house is general consciousness that you get into this world after taking birth, and first house connections with all other bhavas and houses in your birth chart tells us about how your natural qualities is going to differ by the impression of different planets on you. Maybe if Saturn is aspecting your first house, things will be different. Jupiter is aspecting your first house, things will be different. So similarly, if your first house lord is going to be placed in different houses, even that will impact you, because every house has a lord, and what conditions that lord is going to have, it will influence you. It will influence your growing, how you are going to grow in this world. You are going to be influenced by that. And what are all the different situations that is going to influence your first house? Let me explain this too. Planets in 12th house planets in second house. Wherever your first house Lord is going to be placed. What are the planets that is going to be placed with the first house? And what are the planets that is just before the position of your uh, first house Lord? Like first house Lord is placed in fifth house. What are the planets that gets placed in fourth house and sixth house? These all planets also will influence your first house. Again, what are the planets that is laying aspect on your first house, and what are the planets that is laying aspects on your first house Lord? These are all the aspects or planets that will influence your first house. So if you are going to have some little bit changes in your personality and traits, it is because of this all first house. Your first house tells us about your personal competition for social validation through a successful combination of physical behavior and traits. You might be physically very strong, and that because of that so many people will not fight with you. Your friends, childhood friends will not fight with you. They might get an impression that he will beat us, so they will not come and fight with you. So it is laying an impression on others. You might be very good in singing, so you will make similar kind of friends, or you will be very much good in appearance, so many people will get attracted towards you. These all are the impression that you are laying outside or to the society. See, the most basic and most predominant signification of your first house is the tangible physical body and appearance on this material plane, on this earth, on this world. Strong positive influence on your first house lays a strong positive foundation for your personality and your traits. The physical appearance and behaviors often dictates your social ranking. The natal lagna or the ascendant describes the astrological conditions that were in place at the time of your birth. Whenever you took your birth on this earth, whenever you took your birth, like you took your birth in Delhi, what kind of planetary influence was coming at the time of your birth in Delhi always dictates. It is the beej. Beej means it is the seed, sowing of the seed. What kind of in what condition a seed has been sown in a ground or in a field always matters. If it is getting proper kind of nutrition or not, if the soil is alluvial or not, this all condition is always dictating that growth of that seed, what kind of plant it will become. Similarly, what kind of planetary influence was there on earth at particular part of earth at time of your birth always matters. So this condition play a major role in the social ranking of the individual during the current incarnation. In your current birth, this whole condition will always be making a difference. This was my video about the first house. I hope you understood the point that I was trying to make. See you all soon in my next video. Yes, if you liked my video, then please like, subscribe and share my videos and help me improve further and further. Thank you.